Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, this is a first for the channel. I don't know if you can see that too well, but I decided to bring a steel will blade to the channel. Never owned one, never held one, never really knew much about them until I'm bringing it to the channel. So stay tuned right after we roll that intro, and we're going to take a look at this guy. Alrighty guys, as you saw by that opener, we're going to take a look at the Steel Will Modus Foxtrot 25-13. Now before I show you the blade, I got to tell you honestly, when I opened the box, I saw that certificate of authenticity. And I'm like, really? For a freaking folding blade? Okay. I thought that was kind of cool. Not to mention, comes with this little propaganda piece. I thought that was cool. So, let's take a look at her, alright? There she is. Honestly, I like the blue scales, and I like the orange backing. I got a really good friend of mine, her favorite colors are blue and orange. And I was like, wow, a Kamloops Blazer blade. Alright, cool. So, let's break this thing down like we usually do. There we go. I need that. Alright. Sorry, I'm fumbling with myself over here. It's got an overall length of 7.68 inches. Closed, it's 4.41 inches. And the blade is 3.27 inches. It's pretty lightweight at 3.35 ounces. And honestly, a lot of that feels forward like it's the blade steel over the handle. Now, this is the part that I like. And some of you are going to giggle because it's going to bring up memories of the F25 0456, which I'm going to put a little link up there to the test results on that guy. The steel, D2. And there it is marked right on the blade. Hopefully you can see it. All right. It has a satin finish with a flat grind. Now, the reason I brought up that F25 thing, because you'll see in a little bit with the price, I was originally suspicious that it was real D2, but I've seen lots of other results and lots of other tests and lots of other guys who are smarter than I am, so I'm going with it's actually D2. Now, it says it's a sheep's foot style blade, but I'll be honest, it kind of seems like a modified drop point with a little bit of a recurve. Honestly, when I saw the blade, I was instantly reminded of the link. And I'm going to try to put a card right up there so you can see what I'm talking about. Now, the scales are just simple fiberglass reinforced nylon, so they're just plastic. Alright? And as you saw, it's got that orange back spacer that really makes something pop. Now, this is what I thought was cool. It's got a reversible pocket clip, so you do the left hand, right hand, but it's only tip up. It does have the flipper open, and as you saw, it does have the liner lock. It's got, hopefully you can kind of see it in there, stainless steel frames, which isn't too bad. And I thought it was weird. It's a weird little lanyard hole, but it's there. The other part I thought was interesting, especially with the whole thing with that dang F25, it's made in China. So with all that being said, before we even get to the prices, little cut test. Little piece of normal paracord. You can see the strands in there. Not bad right out of the box. Now, like we usually do, we took a look at Amazon, Steel Will, and over on Blade HQ. Over on Amazon, this guy is going to run you $34.99. Steel Will is going to run you $59.99. And Blade HQ, $41.99. So they're pretty much in the ballpark. Not like, you know, sometimes I've seen with, say, like CRKT where they have like $180 value, and I find the exact same blade on Amazon for $24. We also took a look at the ratings. Amazon, it's rated 4.4 out of 5. This is what I thought was interesting. On Steel Will's website, there's not like a rating, but there's links to video reviews that other people have done. And Doc P91 Bravo. I don't know if you're watching this, brother. I loved it. Your video is out there. I mean, you're one of the guys who convinced me. Let me bring this one because I watched your review and thought, hey, it looks kind of cool. Over on Blade HQ, it's rated 5 out of 5. But there we go, guys. My very quick look at the Steel Will Modus. I'd like to know what you think. You know, your questions, your comments, your hatred, your love, your anger, doesn't matter. Down below. You know the deal by now. Get them all out there, boys. I'll respond to every single one. If you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day, which I know is pretty, precious, to view one of my videos. It means a bunch to me. You're going to see a symbol popping up right down here. That's going to be our little company logo. Please go ahead and click on that. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. Once you've destroyed that subscribe button, please smash that bell icon. That is going to notify you every time we put up videos. Now, speaking of vidges, two going to pop up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube selects from my catalog of videos that they think is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we are, boys. My tabletop look at the Steel Will Modus Foxtrot 25-13. Hope you liked it, and I hope you have a great day today.